We are going to start up with the new grammar topic, that is la negation avec impératif. This is from chapter number 7, that is ranger ta chambre. La negation avec impératif. We have already done it with er ending, ir ending, and re ending, and the exception 5 exceptional verbs, that is savoir and vouloir, être, avoir, and aller. So these 5 verbs we have already done as an exception. Now, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to conjugate the er ending verb in negative. Okay. Take an example of parler verb, as we have already done it in the normal form. Now I'm going to do this in negation. So how my question will be coming? Ne pas parler. This is my question. Okay. Now if I talk about parler verb in negation, how I'll conjugate? Tu ne parles pas. Next will be vous ne parlez pas. And nous ne parlons pas. Okay, these 3 are the subjects. Simply what I have to do in this, just remove the subject. That's it. So what will left behind? Ne parle pas. Ne parlez pas. And the last is ne parlons pas. And what else I am going to do is removing s and adding exclamation to it. So this is the negation of er ending verb in imperative. Next, if I talk about of ir ending verb, how I am going to do it? Ir ending verb, I'll take finir only. Ne pas finir is the verb. So again, I'm going to conjugate it into the normal present tense. Tu ne finis pas. Ne pas finir is the verb. Tu ne finis pas, nous ne finissons pas, vous ne finissez pas. Simply just write ne finis pas, then ne finissons pas, and the last one will be ne finissez pas. That's it. Don't remove anything and don't add any of the alphabet. Just add exclamation sign and remove the subject. That's okay. Now, one exceptional verb I'll be taking, that is être verb. Ne pas être. Apart from this, one re ending verb is also left. First, I'm going to discuss one exceptional verb, that is être in negation. If I talk about the present tense, what will be the conjugation of present tense in être verb? It will be tu n'es pas, nous ne sommes pas, and last will be vous n'êtes pas. This will be so. Now we have already done the exception of être verb. What it changes to? It changes to soit, soyons, and soyez. So your conjugation for this will be ne soit pas, exclamation, ne soyons pas, exclamation, and the last will be ne soyez pas and the exclamation sign. So this is your être verb, your exceptional verb in your imperative with all 3 subjects. Please see to it, and if you want to write it down somewhere, you can write it also. Ne pas attendre. Now this is the er ending verb. Just firstly conjugate it into the present tense. That will be tu na atond pa, nu na atonde pa, vu na atonde pa. Simply remove the subjects and write the remaining as it is and add exclamation sign to it. That's nothing more. Okay. With er ending, we have to remove the subjects and as well as s from the q form. And with ir and re ending, just we have to remove the subjects and write the remaining as it is and add exclamation sign to it. That's it. Okay. These are your er, ir and re ending verb in negative, and one I have exception also done with you. That is et. Okay. Other exceptions also you can just write it somewhere for a practice, write it in present and then change it into imperative. Okay. Now at last, we are going to do imperative avec les verb pronominaux. Then one verb, I'll be doing it with you and changing it into all the four forms. Okay. So that will be more easier for you. Write that verb somewhere. Now we are going to discuss the imperative avec les verb pronominaux. Now how you will identify what is the pronominal verb? The verb before which s, e, sir will be written, that is your pronominal verb. Suppose we are from starting, we are conjugating everything with parler. So here also I'm going to conjugate it with parler verb. It is sir parler. Okay. So let us conjugate the sir parler pronominal verb with present tense. To parle with two e is used. To parle. Then nu के साथ nu आता है. Nu parlons. And at last it is vous parlez. This is so. Okay. Now we are going to change this in imperative. Same step will be followed. Remove subject. Now, what is the verb parler? And from parler with er ending verb, we used to remove s. And this will be written after. It will become toi. Parle toi. Then we will write parlons. And this pronominal reflexive pronoun will be coming after. It will be parlons nous. Again, this is parler, and the reflexive pronoun after this, that will be vous. So parle-toi, parlons-nous, parlez-vous, and the exclamation sign. This is done with your pronominal verb. I hope it is understood. Sir parler, the verb before which se, sir will be mentioned, that is your pronominal verb. With you, it is sir, nous, vous, and vous. Remove this, remove s from this, write the remaining verb, and this reflexive pronoun will be shifted after the conjugated verb. Sir will become toi, nous will remain same, and vous will remain same. Thus, we need to add hyphen between and add exclamatory sign at the end. Okay, everyone. Now conjugate the same verb in negation also. How it will come, how the question will be arised, it will be written ne pas sir parler. That means this verb is pronominal because sir is written, and it is negation also. Ne pas sir parler. Okay. Now conjugate this into present tense. To ne pas parle pas. Nous parlons pas. Tu parle किया था, tu parle किया, और na will be added before the reflexive pronoun and pa will be added after the verb. Then nous parlons pas, vous parlez pas. Okay. And the last is change it into imperative. Remove the subjects. Simply write the remaining verb. इसमें आपका जो त है वो तुआ नहीं होगा, नु बाद में नहीं आएगा, वो also will not come at the end. Your answer will be न पार्ल पा. बस एस रिमूव करेंगे आप er ending में से. न त पार्ल पा, न नु पार्लों पा, it will be, and the last one will be न vous parlez pas. That's it. Nothing will be changed. This is parlons, ons, nous hai, and this is ez, parler. वो ना वो पार्ले पा, ठीक है. ओनली रिमूव सब्जेक्ट, रेस्ट ऑल विल रिमेन सेम. और जो हम ER एंडिंग में से टू फॉर्म में से S रिमूव करते हैं, दैट ओनली यू हैव टू डू. And this, if we are doing it into present and into the normal present form without negation, that verb will become tua, and all these reflexive pronoun will be shifted after the verb with an exclamatory sign. Okay, everyone?